Hello everyone, welcome
Hello.
to our live show.
Yes.
Yeah. Today my partner and I will introduce you our some of our hot sale product. And this is my partner.
Hello, my name is Ellie.
This is Lisa.
Yes. Lisa, here now is our morning time.
Yeah.
So I think our American clients is evening time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lisa, last night it was pouring. It was pouring.
Wow.
Yeah. So my dog barked all night. So it was I didn't get a good sleep. One my head.
Oh my God.
And so how about you? Last night.
I think I have a very good sleep. So I'm not sure you are awake now. You're awake now?
Yes.
Okay.
Almost a week.
Okay. That's no problem. Actually, I think Foshan and all the whole Guangdong cities are full of a miracle. Since the beginning of this month, it's been raining all the time. So
Yes.
It makes me a little. It makes me a little. How to say? It is difficult for me to differ the difference of daytime and nighttime. Since the outside is always very dark.
Yes.
It's very dark.
So I hope our fans the weather is sunny. Yes.
Yes, me too.
So Lisa, what's our topic today?
Today we're going to introduce two of our wholesale products. One is the solid wood panel, and another is the slatted acoustic panel. But before we enter this part, we need to introduce our company at first.
Oh, our company profile.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, our company name is TianGe Acoustic Materials Corporation Limited, and we're located in Foshan City. Foshan City is a very special city. It is capital. It is a capital of building materials, and you can find any building materials in Foshan. So the clients coming from around the world go to our Foshan to find the materials for their buildings.
Oh, it's very clear, very close to the Guangzhou airport.
Yes.
Oh.
And not only the airport, but also the seaport. And only 1 hour to the airport, Guangzhou Baiyun Airport, and also only one hour to the Huangpu Seaport and the Nansha Seaport. What's more, we're also close to Shenzhen. One of the biggest seaport in China is Shenzhen Yantian Seaport. So the transportation is very convenient for us.
Yes.
So every year before the epidemic time, the clients are coming from the world come to our company to take a visit and to see these materials they are looking for.
So I think it just takes us drive one hour to Guangzhou. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really convenient.
Our company is acoustic decoration integrated service provider in Guangdong, and we have not only our own factories, but also we have our own marketing company, our design company, and our engineering company. Now here we are doing the live show in our 3-floor office building, and around 1 kilometer far away is our factories. So next time we will, if we have opportunity, we will take you to visit our factories while the live show.
We'll make a live show to our factory.
Yeah, so don't forget to follow us and
give us likes.
Yes. Yeah, give us likes below and leave your message below. And any questions. Yeah. What's more?
So, Lisa, I know Our factory founded in 2008. Yeah.
And 8.
Yeah, 2008. And we have 2 factory and 1 design company. Yeah. So we have ability to design, produce, and provide a cost solution to our customers and help customer to solve the problem of noise. Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Annie, do you know, we have only been in this factory no more than 2 years, but our factory has a long history, right?
Yeah.
And we are just a very small shop in the building materials market at the very beginning. But now we are a factory of more than 115 employees and more than 2 factories, right? So
Yes.
I think we are very experienced factories and full of experience.
We have experience exporting for more than more than 13 years.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
And now I will introduce you some certificates we have gained. We have gained the ISO 9001 2.15 and our product have the CE certificate, BV certification, and more importantly, we have gained more than 100 an authoritative test report as well as the patent. Yeah.
Okay.
Just like one of our employee Brian said, here we should have the proud for ourselves.
Okay. So I think more product information. Our friend welcome to visit our website www.acousticscn.com. Yeah.
You can also follow us via the Facebook and Instagrams. Okay.
So Lisa, let's move to our next part. Okay.
Okay. The topic.
Yes. The topic. Yeah.
At first, we will introduce you our solid wood panel. Now you can see in my hand there is solid hand. There is our solid wood panel. Now you can take a look at the details of the product. The details. You can see from the appearance it is made of solid wood. And the wood is pine. The wood is made from pine tree. Ellie, could you explain the details of the composition of this panel?
Okay, yeah. We have 2 finish. You can see the pure color, and this is wood grain.
Wood grain.
Yeah, wood grain. And its dimension is we have 2 sizes. One is 2.75 meters length, and another is 2.8 meters length, and the width we talk about the width. Another one is 147 millimeter, and another is 150 millimeters. And we
what about thickness?
Yes, we have two option thickness. One is 70 millimeters, and another is 20 millimeters. Yes. And
so, is there any color chart? No color chart, right?
No. No. If you want to track our color chart, I will send the e color chart to you for reference. Okay.
And there are more than 20 colors for choices, right?
Yes, 20 colors. Maybe more than 20 colors.
What's the problem here?
Oh, it's okay.
Okay.
So another product is our Slatted Wall Panel.
I think one point we need to state is that about the installation of this panel.
Oh, okay.
Yes, no matter the wholesalers or private buyers always ask us questions. Could you give us some guideline for the installation of this panel, and it's very easy for us, or is it very difficult for our workers to install it. But actually, the installation, the way of installation is very, very easy. I can only use the garniers with a drainer and some glue, environmental friendly glue to use the both of these tools. It's okay.
How to paste the panel?
On the back.
On the back.
Put the glue on the back.
Okay.
On the wall. Then on the
wall.
Oh,
okay.
Yes. And another point, we have noted that you can see the panel is installed piece by piece, and there is the tongue, and there is the groove, right? And they can be composed together.
I feel like the edge is one is male and another is female.
Okay. Yes, you can see that.
Okay.
And Annie, do you pay attention to the side, the edge and the corner?
Yes.
Corner. Yes. If you buy the panels, we can also sell you the edge and corner.
Oh, yeah. Edge. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Right. That's a full set. Yeah.
Yes. And you can see from our screen the decoration effect. It's very nice, right?
Yes. So, Nisa, may I know where do we usually to recommend our customer to install the wall panel? It's okay to use outdoor?
No, it is designed for interior.
Interior.
Yes, yeah. Not very applied, not very applicable to outside.
So another our wood panel.
This panel.
Yes, another our wood panel. Please take a look at these samples.
And do you know why is this panel so popular nowadays?
I think it's looking is natural looking, and it's not only a decoration wall panel, and also it's a acoustic material panel, wall panel. Why? Because its composition is made of three parts. Yeah, 3 parts. So
hold on, Annie.
Yeah, okay.
When we mention the popularity of this panel, I think we have some points to state.
Oh,
yeah, and firstly, I think it is appearance of this panel. Yes, it's the appearance, and you can make your interior space much more elegant and more suitable, and it can help create a quiet space. And can you imagine you are enjoying the coffee in such a space? It will be very comfortable, right?
Yes, I think everywhere to like the residential and commercial areas, everything interior decoration is okay to put this slatted wood panel.
Yes, it can be used in any way we can imagine. And secondly, for the popularity, this material is very environmental friendly.
Yes.
All the materials are made of eco-friendly materials, such no matter the veneer, the baseboard materials, and the backing filter.
So you mean our PET panel and the wood is even environmental protection?
Yes, it is made of 100% recycled polyester, and we have gained the certificate of the environmental protection.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Lisa, I know our PET. You can, our fans. You can see the back, the black back is PET panel. Our another name is polyester fiber. PET is made of 100% polyester fiber, and PET is an excellent acoustic material in sound isolation, sound absorption, and heat insulation. So why why Slatted Wall panel is very popular. It's not only a decoration wall panel, it's a material, it's a acoustic material. Yeah, it helps to solve the problem of noise. Yeah. And another, let's introduce this first. And we have a 3-pass composition, and you can see the back is PET, and this middle is MDF board, and the surface is veneer. So for the surface, we have melamine and HPL and veneer. So what's this?
You want to ask what this, right?
What's this? Yeah.
As a pass from the MDF baseboard, we also supply the solid wood baseboard.
Our new arrival?
Yes, as you can see from the appearance,
okay.
The baseboard is different from this one you hold, right? And it is just in black, and it is a black MDF. But this one is a solid wood panel. Solid wood panel made of pine wood.
Oh, the colors is different.
Yes, they are of thoroughly different materials. If you purchase much more nature, you can take a consideration of this one. As we have mentioned just now, the materials is composed of 3 parts. One is the furnish, and the second is the baseboard. The third is the backing. So let me introduce one by one. The first one is the furnish. As we have mentioned, there are 3 choices. One is melamine, second is the wood veneer, and the third is the HPL. But different customers have different questions. When they first inquire us about these panels, they have a lot of questions. They will ask, how should I choose the furnish? Should I choose the melamine? Should I choose the HPL or the wood veneer? So could you give me some suggestions? Of course, actually, different purpose applies to different veneers. If you only purchase much more economic cost, we comment the finish. After decoration. After installation, the decoration effect is not bad than the wood veneer. But if you purchase a higher quantity or much more close to nature, you may consider the wood veneer. That is also the most popular furnish currently.
So, Lisa, I know in Europe, most of people like wear the veneer very much.
Yes.
So they prefer the veneer to the melamine. Yeah.
Yes, that's right. Okay. So I said the wood veneer is the most popular among the 3 finish.
All right.
Yes, but for commercial use, there are some requirements for the fireproof, for the fire retardant grade. So we suggest the HPL. The HPL, that means high pressure laminate finish.
Yes. High pressure.
And together with the other materials such as the baseboard, we recommend the fireproof board, and also the fireproof persistent polyester. The difference, one point difference is that the thickness is different from the standard one. The thickness of the fire retardant board is 15 millimeter, and our regular thickness of the board is 12 millimeter.
12.
Yeah, I mean the baseboard. So the regular thickness of the panel is 21 millimeter, but for HPL, for fireproof one, that is 4 millimeter, much thicker, right? Yeah, that's it.
So this is 9 and plus 21.
Yeah.
And 12.
That's right. Yes, 12 plus 9 or 15 plus 9.
Oh, total 21.
Yeah, 21.
Okay.
Actually, we are the biggest exporter. We are the biggest seller in China for this acoustic panel. Annie, do you know the advantage of our panels is that we pay high attention to the details of the panels, you know.
Okay.
Yes.
So
take the painting, for example. You can see from the difference of this panel, from the two panel. This one, the two one are both of they are two they are both made 100% made paint, and even more you can see from this surface there is a drawing. There is a drawing on the surface. Like this one, there is a drawing, and the thickness of our veneer is thicker. It's thicker. It's very thicker.
Oh.
Yeah. And all the wood veneer, is made of natural wood veneer. Especially this one. This is the most popular color, the oak color. Right?
So Lisa, we only have this colors option to our customers?
Of course not. We have a lot of colors, and here we just introduce our popular colors.
So we can show our customer how many colors we have.
Yeah, there is a color swatch for the finish.
Let's take a look at our color chart.
And the first 3 pages are mainly for the minimum finish, and the fourth one is for the veneer, right?
Yes.
Yes, but these are only only part of our color swatch. Yes. And if you have other colors that cannot be found in this one, you can send us the pictures or the samples, and we can help find the colors to match your likes.
Yes. You send the preferred colors to us, maybe we can find a good matching. When they are to you. Yeah.
Okay, apart from the color swatch for the veneer and finish, we also have a color swatch for the backing filter. We can also call it backing filter, the field, or the polyester fiber acoustic panel, or ornament. Okay.
Yes.
And you can see this polyester. That you can see the density of this polyester.
It's flexible. It's a flexible of the.
Yes, it's flexible. But the panel we use is of high density. It is more than 1.76 kilogram per cubic meter. But you know, someone like the low density. You know the difference of the density. You know the difference of the density. Actually, the density is relevant to the effect of sound absorption. Yes, the higher the density of this panel, the better the effect of the sound absorption. Yeah.
So I know that PET is an excellent acoustic material of sound absorption and heat insulation. So why this snap panel is so popular? So it's a acoustic material, and also it's a really nice decoration wall panel.
Yeah. Usually we use the black color as the backing, but we also have other choices. And another popular color is the gray. And Annie, could you please show us the
PET
color swatch of the polyester?
Okay, here.
Yes, we usually use our TianGe. This color in black, and another color is the it's the gray, or this gray. Yeah, these are popular colors. And the thickness we use, is 9 millimeter. 9 millimeter.
Yes, we just show our friends we have 48 colors options.
Yeah. So you can not only buy our Slatted acoustic panel, you can also only buy the acoustic panel, polyester acoustic panel. Yes, that means this panel can be separately sold, right? And this panel can also cut into different shape in different design.
So, Lisa, how about the nav? How many? I want to make 3 meters is okay.
Actually, there are three lengths of our panels. One is 2.4 meter, second is 2.6 meter, and another is 2.8 meter. But for the longer panels, it can be custom made, such as the 3 millimeter. One point you need to pay attention to. The length of the polyester should be 3 millimeter accordingly. Yes, so there is an avoidable MOQ for the quantities. So usually the height of the ceiling in Europe or in US is around 2.6, and actually 2.4 can be enough.
Okay.
And what's more, the panels can be installed by joint like this, piece by piece.
Pieces by piece.
Yes, and this one is installed horizontally, and this is vertically.
Oh, this is an interesting. Is the back? I pay attention at the back is hidden. Is hidden assembly.
Yeah.
So so the gap is not visible.
Yes, right. You can see like this. This is installed piece by piece, and the joint cannot be seen, just like you see from our back set.
Yes.
This is the set 4 on our back set. That is the length. And what about the width of the panel? Width of the panel?
Usually our normal length, our normal width is 400 and 520 and 600. This free option is our normal standard width. Yeah.
Yes. So if I prefer 300 meter, can it be made?
Yes, sure. I think it just need MOQ.
Yeah. But I noticed there is a point, the length of the slats and the gap between the slats. Usually, we also have two patterns. One is 27 plus 13 millimeter, and another is 35 plus 15 millimeter. 27 or 35 millimeter is points to the width of the slats, and 17 or 15 millimeter points to the gap between the slats. So if you choose the 27 plus 13 millimeter, and for 600 millimeter wide panel, there are around 15 slats on the panel. But if you choose 35 plus 15 millimeter, there will be 13 slats of this panel. So the quantity is different if you choose different patterns.
Okay.
That's it.
So Lisa, could we show the different big panel to our customer, like the right?
Of course,
the left,
it's very necessary.
The right side.
Yes, actually, this showroom is decorated newly, and all these panels can be installed very fastly. And so now you can see one counter on our back side. Actually, on the other wall there are more than 5 counters. Let's. Wow. This wall, it's gorgeous.
从这边吧。
你讲吧。You please.
Yes. So, we would like to show our friends different colors. So, you can see that this is our black ash, and this is smoke oak.
Smoked oak.
Oak. Yeah. Oh. This color is very nice and nice looking.
Yes, it's very popular with our clients, and the surface is rustic, very close to the nature.
Yes,
rustic finish.
Oh,
and why not buy some samples and
natural looking and very nice.
Yes,
very beautiful.
We can supply some small samples freely to you and to check the quantity. first, and then you can buy the full size.
So this is yellow oak.
This one is the
yellow oak.
Yeah, yellow oak.
So how about this? How to describe the
we can call it nodes. We can call it nodes.
Nodes.
You can see from the surface there are so many nodes.
It's very special.
Yes. So you can also see this panel is very natural, and the nodes are all naturally born. Yes, born. Not man-made.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So and the behind me is white oak. Yeah. Okay. So our friends, you can take a look. We have many colors. Veneer. It's better. It's better for.
So we can see the length of our current board on the wall is 600 millimeter, and if you can tell us the width, the length, or the height of your wall, and we can calculate how many square meters or how many square feet are required to be covered by panels, and we can give you an accurate digit.
Okay.
Yes. Because clients usually ask how many panels do I need
to cover the wall.
Yes. So you can tell us the area. Yes.
Tell us the size of your wall, and we'll calculate how many square meters you need. Yeah.
That's right. Okay. Now let's return to our seat.
Okay.
During our consultation, clients usually ask some questions. What is the difference of the solid wood panel and the slatted acoustic panel, right?
Oh, yes. Our slatted wood panel, the main difference is made of MDF board.
So I have a question. If I am your client, I have the same question. So how would you recommend me to choose the right one?
I think it depends on our customer budget, and how to say, because these two products has a different feeling. Yes, like our solid wood panel, the surface is PVC, and this slatted wood panel is natural veneer. So it has a different feeling. Yes. So I think some customer was curious about what difference between slatted wood panel and the solid wood panel, and because they see the picture, they feel both of these two are pretty much the same. So they will have some question. What's the difference between these two, Lisa? Could you tell something?
Of course, the biggest difference between the two panels is the sound absorption.
Sound absorption.
Yes, the solid wood panel is powerfully made of solid wood, and there is no any effect for the sound absorption. But as you know, the slatted acoustic panel, the backing is made of the polyester acoustic panel, so it has the effect of acoustic of sound absorption. Yes. So let's directly enter to the installation. Since there is some points we need to state for it. So if you only install this slatted panel, and if you only pursue the decoration effect, you can directly put it on the wall. You can directly install it on the wall. But if you if you pursue better sound absorption, we suggest you put some plywood slabs. Plywood slats at first on the surface, and then put the panels on the plywood slats. And what's more, if you purchase much higher sound absorption, you can fill some foam, some fiberglass outside the cavity.
Oh, the cavity.
Yeah. Okay. You can leave 25 millimeter cavity or 15 millimeter cavity in order to pursue much better sound absorption, right? Actually, we have done a test report for the sound absorption for these panels without any cavity and without any fiberglass backing. It has good sound absorption. Here is the test report.
Fiberglass.
There is a test report for authorized by Tsinghua University Center, Inspection Center, and the sound absorption coefficient is as much as 0.6. Yeah, it is a very high digit. Oh, sorry, 0.7. 0.7 NRC. Okay, that's it. That's about, yes. Now there is the sound absorption test report.
Oh, this page.
Yeah. And the test standards is the GBT 20247 2006, and is equivalent to ISO 354-2006. Okay.
Oh, this is
okay. That's it. Okay, that's it. Now let's return to the PPT. Just now we have talked about the way of installation. So before we install the panels, what tools should we prepare at first? If we want to put the panels on the wall, we need some tools, right? Such as the saw, the ruler, and the nail, and the electrical drill, right?
Oh, okay. I think the fast way is using the self screw.
Self screw.
It's best to use the black one. So yeah, the black one, and the PET also is black, so it's a good matching. Yes.
As for the nails used in the installation, I think there is a detail. If the backing filter is in black, we suggest the black nail or green nail. But if the color of this filter is in green, we do not suggest the dark color nails, right?
Yes.
So during our daily consultant, our clients will ask a lot of questions they care about, such as the price, the delivery time, the production time, and so on, right? We can explain this one by one here. So at first, what about the production time of our panels?
Oh, usually our production time is a month to 30 years, 30 days. So in no matter a small order and a container order, small order, I think 10 days is okay to produce, and a container order takes us a month. Yes. So actually, I think one more question is our customer is really care our package. So how's the package, Lisa?
Our standard package is 3 pieces per carton or 4 pieces per carton. We also do some custom-made package, such as 1 piece per carton or 2 pieces per carton. It is all up to your requirement. As for the production time, as you know, all the panels are man-made, handicraft. Yes, it is a handicraft product. At first, we need to prepare the materials and do the painting of the panels, and then we enter the the formal step of production. That is put the slats and the field together. So for big quantity, such as 500 square meters, it takes around 25 to 13 days. And for small orders, such as 15 square meters, it can be done within 20 days. But for some colors that is very popular, such as the white oak, the yellow oak, we usually have some small storage, and so we can provide the product within 7 to 10 days.
Okay.
And for the delivery time, it is up to the location from you. If you are in Southeast Asia, it takes around only
20 days.
20 days. But yes, take Singapore, for example, it only takes 1 week.
1 week. Yes. 1 week to 10 days. Okay.
1 week for sea shipping. But if you are in American, it takes around 20 days for the sea shipping on the sea. And if you are from Europe, such as UK, Germany, Netherlands, and Spain, Italy, it takes around 35 days. But for the Middle East countries' climes, it takes around 20 days.
Okay.
Another important point is that the postpone of the vessel, that is out of our control. That's right.
So,
but we need to pay attention to it.
So except for the shipping, I think our customer concerned how's the materials to protect our wood panel, avoid the damage during the transportation. So so I know as you mentioned just now, and we pack usually we pack 3 or 4 panels per carton box, and we will wrap up the pearl foam. Wrap up the pearl foam on our each panel to protect. To protect the wall panel.
Damage.
Yes. And except for the pearl foam, and we will put four protector on the 4 corner. One corner of the carton box.
The 4 corners. The 4 corners.
4 corners. 4 corners of the box.
Yes, the protection. And so, if you are interested in it, and if you are watching our live show, don't forget to give us likes and follow us.
Yes,
there is some farewell film in our live show, in today's live show. If you are the one who is watching, and if you want get some samples, the samples are free. The samples are free, and if you have no. I mean, if after you have received the samples, and if you would like to place an order, no matter how large the order, you can use the coupons. Our today's sale. There are 20, 50, and 100. You can use the coupons. You can use the coupons accordingly according to your order, according to the quantity. Yes.
Wow, it's a good feature with customers.
The more quantities, the bigger the coupons you can use. So don't forget to follow us. And if you have any more questions, you can leave a message, and our customer service will contact you.
So Lisa, how many purchase amount to use this coupon? How much purchase amount?
As you know, our MOQ is 15 square meters. Yeah. But if the color you choose is the one that we have in storage, the MOQ can be as low as 30 square meters. Yeah.
So another question our customer is asking our productivity.
Productivity?
Yeah, productivity. Like how many square meters do we usually to produce per month? Yes. So Lisa, do you know something about our productivity?
We can produce as much as 16,000 square meters per month. You know, at the very beginning, we have 2 factories, so the productivity is no problem.
Okay, nice. So, we have a production ability to catch a big order.
That's right.
Okay, just waiting for your order.
Okay, let's see, is there any questions put forward from our watching clients? Oh, one of our clients said, wow. One of our clients said he gave us 100 likes. Thank you so much. Thanks for your support. And don't forget, free sample can be provided. You can call us, or you can send us inquiries for the free sample.
And your contact information.
Yeah. One of our clients said he asked for the product catalog. No problem. Just leave us your email, and our client and our after our live show, we will send you the electronic catalog. Yeah. Any more questions? Oh, one client asked, can I put the panels on the kitchen or bathroom? Strictly speaking, we suggest you not put the panels in the moisture or humid environment. But if you really like it, you can put them into the kitchen, but you need to pay high attention to avoid them from the humid or moisture. That's it. And the panels can be widely used in different spaces, such as the living room, the bedroom, the study room, and the corridor, right?
Yes.
OK， 还剩下10分钟。哦，那你讲个别的。
你还有什么要讲？
So these panels is fireproof but not waterproof.
Yes. So that's why it's suitable to indoor use.
Yes, that's it. Oh, let me see. Actually, there are a lot of questions put forward by our clients. One of the clients asked for the shipping cost. The shipping cost is relevant to the quantity of the panels, and you need to tell us how many pieces do you like to order, and then we can give you an accurate quoting. Thank you, and please leave your message, leave your email, and we will get back to you later after checking. During the process of our customer service, one of our clients asked if after 2 years or after 3 years, I don't like the color, and could I sand in these colors and then paint according to my likes? If I don't like this color after 3 years, could I sand in it?
Well, we actually have different vanilla colors, and we find a similar color to match your furniture and your wallpaper, like something like this. Yes.
So this color can be sanding, right?
Yes, it can. Yes, it can.
And painting it by the colors you like.
Yes.
Yes, that's it. During our clients, actually, I think they can be divided into different types. Someone just purchased for private use, for own use. such as the house renovation, or they build a new house and they want to buy some new panels to decorate their house and makes them to like much more elegant, more different from the others. But some others are the wholesalers. They purchase the panels for reselling. So they care about different points. For private buyers, they much more care about the cost, the time, the delivery time, and for wholesalers, they care much more about the kind of choices, also the delivery time, right?
Yes.
And what's more important, they care about whether these panels can be sold well or not. That's more important. Nowadays, more and more clients are inquiring about these panels due to its popularity, and we export the panels to Europe and to Australia, to American monthly. So the market has certified that it is a very good product. No worries about it. And during your watching, don't forget to click here, and follow us. Thank you. Advantage. Any other questions from your side? From your side?刚刚说了，没事。Okay, don't forget to call us and ask for free samples. Any? I noticed there is intact on the edge of this panel. Recently, we have how to say? Recently, we have some new techniques that can be used for the edge of the panels. Now,
you mean?
I mean the side of the slats can be chamfered. So yes.
Chamfer.
Before chamfering it, to some extent, it may feel a little sharp. But after chamfering, it's very smooth. I mean the side. And let me see another point. Oh, one client asked one question. I am a private buyers, and after I get the panels, could you give me some suggestion for installation? As you know, on my back side there is a slat wall, and this wall is around how many square meters? Around 6 to 7 square meters, right? And this wall panels is completed within 1 hour, and by two guys. So
just takes us 1 hour.
Yes, less than an hour. Yes, less than an hour. Sorry.
Okay. Oh, that's fast.
Yes, to some extent, it is a DIY. It is a very good product for DIY. For DIY product. So if I am a girl and I am a woman, I can install it by myself, as long as I get the tools.
Oh, so we can use the cutting machine to cut the dimension as you like.
Yes.
And then use the dreaming machine.
Yes. Handmade. That is
handmade to put the screw. Yeah.
Yes. But some clients still have the how to say, the question for have the difficulty to choose the color or the vernier, and they usually enter into a dilemma of choosing what kind of furnish would I choose. As we suggested at the very beginning, it's up to your budget, it's up to your purpose. If you buy it for own use, we strongly suggest the wood veneer furnish. Since it's much more close to nature, and the color looks more nature. But for minimum, above all, it's man-made. The color though looks nice, but it's man-made, not nature, not nature-born. And if you have a budget, so you may consider the minimum furnish.
So I think if our friends have a project and it's very nice. We have project cases to use the fabric acoustic panel and the slatted wall panels.
Yes.
So
elements for commercial use. The panels can be composed with different acoustic panels, such as the fabric acoustic panel. One of our clients from Saudi Arabia bought our slatted acoustic panel together with the fabric acoustic panel, and after specially designed by their designer for a multifunctional hall. After the installation, it looks very nice, right? Nice. So the panels can be widely used neither for residential use or commercial use. And what's more, the panels can not only installed vertically, it can also install just like this. It's all up to your design.
So it's really used.
Different shape.
It's really used for walls and ceiling, right?
Yes, ceiling. Yes, not only on the wall but also on the ceiling. And if on the wall there is the socket, how to deal with it?
Yeah, the socket.
That is not a problem, right?
Yes.
And you can first you can measure the length of the side and leave the space for the socket. Then this can be cut by the drainer, by the cutter drainer, and installed on it very well.
Yes.
Okay. So any questions for our clients? One client asked it, how long it takes for us to get a sample? This is a client from Canada. Actually, we have a lot of samples, small samples in storage, and we can deliver the samples you choose promptly. Yes, if you confirm today, we can send it out today by air. We have a lot of choices such as FedEx, UPS, or DHL, and it only takes around 7 days to a country. That's it. Thank you. Thanks your questions. So next time. So this time we have introduced to you our solid acoustic panel and the slatted acoustic panel. Apart from the two panels, we have a lot of acoustic panels. So next time we will introduce you more acoustic materials. Hope you can continue to follow us.
Yes, and as always, thank you for our fans watching our live show. Yes,
and see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.